word that they use, quatrannual. Is that it?
No.
The word that's said every 4 years?
Just every 4 years. So every 4 years, football fans across the world take to their TVs, bars, and stadiums to tune into the World Cup. In a few days, June 14th to be exact, Russian stadiums will be jam-packed. Top teams like Brazil, Germany, Argentina, France. Those 4 teams have you seen across the country. Everybody on their cars have a flag from one of those countries, showing their support. But the first game is Russia, home nation. They play Saudi Arabia on Thursday, so it's something to look forward to. Jamaica is, as usual, a nation divided into 4 teams or 3 teams: Brazil, Germany, and Argentina.
Who is the fourth? Who was the fourth? France.
Yeah.
Yesterday when we were in Mobile and we had the Mobile launch of the World Cup, we asked anybody about supporting France? One lonesome man in a crowd of, call it 600-700 people.
And guess what?
One man.
And guess what? Next 4 years, we'll have a lot of French supporters. You know why?
Why?
Because the French may win this World Cup.
Why do you think so?
The quality of their team.
Enough?
Yeah, the quality of their team and the makeup of that team. Only thing is suspect is the coach. You know, but they have so much depth.
But you
and
need
quality.
a good coach if you don't have
you
a
do,
good coach.
you do. But I think next 4 years, Jamaica will be lots of France supporters in Jamaica.
Well, hopefully in the next 4 years we can have Jamaican supporters because Jamaica will be at the World Cup. I'd love to see that again. I'd love to see that again. Anyhow, why are you guys saying no positivity, guys?
No, man, it's all right,
I say it and everybody in here is shaking them head. Come on, guys. Positive energy into the universe. That was it.
More go shout. I said Jamaica.
Yes, more want Dutch pot for beating them something. I can't wait alone for Olympics.
98 World Cup. When they say Dutch pot.
Dutch cover broke off in my house. Look here. All right, next up, 2-time Olympic champion and one of the best people in the world. I admire her so much. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce returns to the track today. She's set to run at the Racers Grand Prix. Yeah, you know, that like something that's one at the stage of every day. Yeah. And Fraser-Pryce missed the 2016-2017 season to have her son Zion, who is so super cute, by the way, and to recover from a nagging toe injury that played a part in her failure to become the first woman in history to win 3 consecutive Olympic 100-meter titles. And I'm not up on that because what she has done is amazing. Big up yourself, Shelly. The other day, she came to see the play because she come to all her plays. She's so amazing. And she come and I tell you so. We never talk about you though, we talk about she. And when she come, you know, mommy have a different look. Mommy put on a different material for you. Yeah. She ready. She's ready. And I'm so ready to see her back on the track. What do you think?
No man, I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be a tough race though. Nice field. There's Jenna Prandini who beat her last week in Cayman. And it's a young rising star.
That's who I wanted you to talk about.
She's going to be
She look like she can go on with
she could probably win the race tonight. She's in the peak of her season.
Don't say anything about probably doing anything.
Yeah, but I'm looking forward to seeing Shelly. A lot of people coming out to see her. She's coming back slowly but surely.
Yeah, man.
And it's something that we, as a nation, she's a sprint queen.
I got you, girl. I'm always behind you. Always behind you, 100%. And now that you're a mommy, yeah, mommies roll together.
Yeah. All right, so this one is kind of touchy. This one hit fans across the world very hard. On his award-winning series, Parts Unknown, Anthony Bourdain brought the world together, brought viewers together. He was a larger-than-life figure, a gifted chef and storyteller who used his books and shows to explore culture, cuisine, and the human condition. He died of suicide. Depression, and it's tough to go from the high that we were just on to talking about suicide. But depression is a dangerous disease. And a lot of people, even this week, you know, people every day are suffering from depression.
Yeah, earlier in the week, we lost designer Kate Spade, and for the same reason. And the thing is, one thing that I'd really like to say to everybody out there, we don't take the time to acknowledge that people around us, no matter how big their smiles are, no matter how positive they may be, are suffering. The person beside you right now, even though they put up a facade, could be suffering and hurting on the inside. So the little things that you do every day, try and think before you do them. Try and think before you say them, and remember that somebody's going through something every day. Because you don't know what straw it would be that might break that camel's back, and it might be just your words.
Indeed, and those people who are chasing fame and chasing wealth, if you've noticed over the past couple of years, a lot of celebrities have taken their lives because sometimes life at the top gets depressing if you go there by yourself. If you're going that way, walk with family, walk with friends. And if you're a friend, call a friend.
Yeah. If you see that there's a problem and there's something that you can do, if there's anybody that you can reach out to, and even though sometimes the person might not even know how to reach out. So if you don't know how to reach out, people, pay attention to the people around you. Pay attention to your loved ones. Pay attention to anything. If something look off with somebody, ask them what's up, because you never know what's going on with somebody. And it just might be you asking. Yes. That might save a life.
Indeed.
Yeah. All right. So from that, we're going to take a little breather, and we'll come right back and get into the World Cup right to the show, all right? So come.